Let's face it, you could spend hours crafting the perfect video, but if your thumbnail doesn't catch someone's eye, your content might never get the attention it deserves. Thumbnails are more than just a picture. They're your handshake, your billboard, and your invitation all at once. So, what's the secret to making thumbnails that actually get clicks? Today, I'm breaking down the psychology, the design tricks, and the AI tools that top creators use to make their videos stand out in a crowded feed. First, let's talk about why thumbnails matter so much. Before anyone reads your title or description, they see your thumbnail. In a world where millions of videos compete for attention, your thumbnail is your one shot to stop the scroll. Think of it as a promise to your viewer. It needs to be clear, emotional, and instantly understood that if your thumbnail doesn't spark curiosity or emotion in just a couple of seconds, it's as good as invisible. Now, here's the biggest mistake most creators make: overcomplicating things. A thumbnail isn't a movie poster, it's a visual headline. You want one clear focal point, bold and readable text, and a background that doesn't distract. The less clutter, the more likely someone is to click. Look at the most successful creators out there. Their thumbnails usually feature a single face, a strong emotion, and a simple message. Clarity always beats complexity. And don't forget, most people are watching on their phones. If your thumbnail isn't readable at a tiny size, it won't work. Always designed for mobile first. So, how do you actually grab attention? It all comes down to curiosity. Humans are naturally drawn to questions and mysteries. If your thumbnail raises a question without giving away the answer, people will want to click. Use emotional contrast, shock, surprise, transformation, or reward. For example, blur part of an image to hint at a secret, or show a dramatic before and after. Make viewers wonder, what's happening here? That's what drives clicks. When it comes to design, speed matters. Use high contrast, think dark backgrounds with bright subjects. Faces and emotions are powerful, so don't be afraid to show them. Keep your text short, ideally under 5 words. And use arrows, circles, or spotlights to guide the viewer's eye to the most important part of your thumbnail. Color is another secret weapon. Red creates urgency, yellow feels optimistic, blue builds trust, and green suggests growth or money. Use these colors intentionally to match the mood of your video. Now, let's talk about AI. There are tools out there that can help you test and improve your thumbnails before you even upload your video. Platforms like thumbnailtest.com or Photo AI can automatically adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to make your image pop. Some tools even predict your click-through rate by analyzing eye direction, color contrast, and emotional cues. It's like having a focus group at your fingertips. Finally, remember that your thumbnail is part of your brand. Consistency in color, font, and style helps viewers recognize your videos instantly. Clicks might get you views, but a recognizable style turns viewers into loyal fans. So, next time you're about to upload, don't just settle for any image. Use these secrets to create thumbnails that truly captivate, and watch your views soar.